so much for tuning in for another video. I really love this wig. I think that it is just my type because, as y'all know, I am a bob girl. And it's just simple, cute, affordable. Pop it on and you're good. Once you customize it, all you have to do every day is just put it on. Make sure your braids are super flat, and that will be like the main key, that your braids are super flat so you don't have a whole bunch of bumps and all that. So you want it to be as natural as possible. But let me know down in the comments if you love this wig. I will try to find one on the website for those of you who may not have it in your local hair store so that you can order it. But this is so cute, y'all. Bob life, honey. This is the bob life, okay? So if you're someone who loves bobs, or you're not into all the long hair and always having to curl and style your hair all day, you just want to get up, be in the mirror for about 15 minutes max and be done, then these are some perfect customized wigs. I'll leave the other ones down in the description box. Even though it's synthetic, it's more like premium synthetic. You can flat iron it. If you take care of it, don't wet it, don't put any products on it, it will last you a very long time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video.